Hey, welcome back, y'all. How y'all doing? Me? I've been thinking like it's 2025 and we starting this year off strong. We accomplishing our goals. We staying focused and intentional. So I was thinking maybe we could, I don't know, create hair goals. Let's create hair goals starting in January so that by December we'll see them. Whether your goal is to have thicker hair, your edges grow back, or perfect a perfect twist out. If you create a plan and follow that plan all the way through and stay consistent, you can accomplish your goals. So in today's video, I'm going to help you come up with a hair care plan based off your porosity. Not only am I going to help you understand what products you need based off your porosity to keep your hair healthy, I'm going to walk you through a routine on what to do in steps based off your porosity. And not only am I going to do that, I'm going to do it for all 4 seasons. So summer, winter, spring, and fall, so that we can stay consistent and keep our hair growing. And I'm also going to download the checklist. I'm gonna put it on the screen so that you can also screenshot it, or you can print it off. I'm gonna make it a downloadable link. It'll be in the description box. So without further ado, let's dive in. And I'm gonna show you a quick way to test your hair at home using the float method. Okay, guys, so I'm going to demonstrate how to conduct a porosity test based off the float method. Of course, if you have any questions or concerns, you always consult with your cosmetologist. So you will need a clear container, which it doesn't matter if it's a bowl, a cup, as long as it's clear, you can see through it. You'll need water, but obviously if you're at the faucet, you just put the water in there. But for demonstration purposes, I'm going to show you with this. I'm gonna pour the water in here. Then you'll need a strand of hair. This is a strand of hair. I just washed my hair maybe 3 days ago. So this was hair that was left in my detangling comb. So it's clean. You put the hair in here in the water for 2 to 3 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna zoom in so that you guys can see, but I just wanted to demonstrate that. So while this is in here for 2 to 3 minutes, I'm gonna set a timer and then zoom up so you can see. And once you know your hair's porosity, you will know what your hair likes and doesn't like. So listen to your hair. Don't be hard-headed. Now let's talk about seasonal hair care, because your hair porosity routine will need to change throughout the year. So here's how to adjust your routine for the year. Seasonal hair care. Winter. Dry air can strip moisture, so focus on deep conditioning weekly and use heavy moistures to seal in hydration. Don't skip protective styles and invest in a satin-lined hat if you're out in the cold. Summer. Keep it simple. Lightweight leave-ins, UV protection for your strands, and lots of hydration will help combat sun, salt, water, and chlorine damage. Spring. It's all about detoxing and starting fresh, clarifying your scalp. Hydrate. Switch to lighter products as the weather warms up. Fall. Focus on repairing any summer damage with hot oil treatments, regular trims, and preparing for protective styles as it gets colder. Okay, so before we get right into it, grab your handy dandy notebook. So I want to stress the importance of creating or setting hair care goals. Whether you're trying to retain moisture, grow your edges back, or create that perfect twist out, setting goals keeps you focused, it keeps you motivated, and it helps you track your progress, because all wins, no matter how big or small, is a win. And we gonna celebrate. We gonna celebrate all wins. Okay, guys, so to make this super easy for you, I created a checklist that you can use to set your hair goals. Either you can screenshot it or you can grab the printable version from the description box and the link below. Number 1, test your hair porosity. Know whether your hair is low, normal, or high porosity. Number 2, set 2 to 3 specific goals. Examples: grow your edges, increase moisture retention, or reduce breakage. Number 4, rotate products by season. Adjust your routine with the season. Number 4, weekly hair care routines. Wash with a clarifying or moisturizing shampoo. Deep condition weekly or bi-weekly. Use the LOC liquid oil cream or LCO liquid cream cream oil method to seal in moisture. Number 5, trim ends regularly every 3 to 4 months to prevent split ends from traveling up the hair shaft. Number 6, eat hair nourishing foods, incorporating avocados, nuts, salmon, and greens into your diet. Number 7, stay consistent. Stay consistent. Progress takes time, but with consistency, you will see results. This is your year to shine and slay, okay? Remember, hair care is self-care. When you take care of your hair, you feel good. You feel good. It's all about love, patience, and consistency. Be gentle. Be nice with yourself. Be nice to yourself, okay? Let's set those goals and thrive. Our hair gonna thrive all through 2025. Hey, that rhyme. Now, I want to hear from y'all. Tell me, what is one thing that you're going to implement or take away from your hair care routine to improve it? I would have to say I need to stay on top of keeping my ends trimmed. I know, y'all. I know. I got to do better with that. But I want to hear from y'all. What are you going to do better to make your hair care routine more beneficial for you? Put it in the comments below so that I can hold you accountable. So that your whole hair care community can hold you accountable. You, yes, you. We gonna hold you accountable, honey. We need healthy hair all 2025, okay? Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for watching. And until next time, Sunday at 11, same time, baby. Bye.